Hi, in front of me is REALME Q2 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Firstly, open Play Store, then type Magic Fluid and download this app from this developer. Now open it and tap at the bottom right corner, choose Settings, click I accept and customize your wallpaper however you want. When you're done, tap at the top right corner and bottom right corner again. Choose Set as Live Wallpaper, Set as, and pick Home Screen or Home Screen and Lock Screen by tapping on one of the options. As you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!